Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to show you the unboxing of a really precious Christmas gift that I got, and it will be a miniature set or a miniature from Games Workshop. This is, as you can see here, the High Chaplain Grimaldus with his retinue. So first let's introduce a little bit the character. So the High Chaplain Grimaldus is a beacon of Imperial faith and fortitude. Is such that many of his brothers believe him be invincible. His will is singular, his zeal is coldly, furious, and martial skills attested by the trail of broken foes laid at his heels. And his legendary stand at Helsreach. So basically, this character was really popular in Armdenski Boden's Helsreach novella. And for those of you who don't have time to read books or don't want to pay money for it, RBoylan, a great art director from he previously worked in EA Games, did manage to make a YouTube movie about using the Helsreach audiobook, and he made by himself the visuals to it. So I strongly recommend. I will try to link it down below. If the link does not work or I forget about it, then just please search for Helsreach on YouTube and you will see the movie. Some have compiled it together. Richard did released it into smaller video sizes because he released it in separate videos. But there should be also a complete one video with all the parts meshed combined together. So the novella Helsreach is about Grimaldus. He is new appointed Recrusiarch or Chaplain, and he is a really great character. I really like the depiction of him in the book, and also what Richard did in the video. It is obviously unofficial Games Workshop stuff, but I highly recommend it. Okay, so now let's do the unboxing. It has a really nice purple tint to it, almost Slaneshi looking. So, oh, yeah. So here is Merrick Grimaldus and his Cenobyte Servitors. He is armed with the Artificer Cross's Arcanum and plasma pistol. So for basically price for one, you get 4 miniatures, but I don't see that really practical to walk around with 4 basically holy relic bearers with you. And in the Helsreach novella, he did not have them back in those days. He had his squad, and yeah, I would not imagine this will last too long in the orc invested planet of Armageddon, where the novella sets the story is set in the third, if I'm not mistaken, third Armageddon war. Okay, so price-wise, directly from Game Workshop, you are looking for around 42.50. That is in euros. You can check it with your region and your pricings, but I strongly recommend get it from your favorite Games Workshop dealer, because they will give you a nice discount. So basically we have a double sprue, and here is one of the relics. This looks like an Imperial Aquila on a pole mounted. is Grimaldus torso. Here is his backside with 1 foot. His crosses. His pauldron. So he's Black Templar, of course. Therefore, there is the cross. And his arm with the where the cross is mounted. And here is his head. So yeah, I liked it more in the depiction of the Richard Boylan's work, because usually chaplains will have a skull-faced helmet, as you could see on. Let me just grab one of my older unpainted that I have here on with me. So basically this is your archetype of a chaplain, and in the novella, or in the work of Richard Boylan, he will have similar helmet to this. Maybe this was the inspiration for Richard. So these are the Cenobyte Servitors. You have 2 bases, 40 and 28. And here it is how it's looking painted. So hopefully in a couple of months I will be able to finish him and share my video with my complete work. So this was the unboxing and first look of the Warhammer 40,000 Black Templars, Chaplain Grimaldus and his retinue, made by Games Workshop. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm all happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. I hope to see you soon.